Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best injection molding machine on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. OCTOCAT 850C Injection Molding Machine. OCTOCAT 850C Injection Molding Machine is innovatively designed and developed by our company. The OCTOCAT 850C adopts the new type design, which has advanced modular structure and good adaptability to the environmental conditions. It is easy to install and has a high degree of automation. This injection molding machine can produce the plastic product with good accuracy, high efficiency, and energy conservation. The machine, equipped with advanced PLC, programmable logic controller, can effectively control the entire machine and realize the automatic data input and output for the operation parameters. The machine can carry out the production of the plastic products with high accuracy and high efficiency. Well-designed platform, easy to install and uninstall, convenient to change the mold. The OCTOCAT 850C is characterized by its high automation, high productivity, and high flexibility. Number 4. RDIM 225 Injection Molding Machine. This RDIM 225 automatic injection molding machine is an affordable desktop injection molding machine for hobbyists and educational purposes. It features an accurate temperature control, pressure up to 1 ton, a 7-step speed control, maximum output up to 220 grams, and a pressure controller with PID algorithm. The heatable mold platform is manufactured with aluminum alloy to ensure precision temperature control and make it easy to remove the finished product. This injection molding machine comes with a 220V 50Hz power supply and is preset with a 750W heater. The 8-digit display shows the real-time temperature and speed, making operation a breeze. You'll never have to worry about your finished product getting stuck in the mold or your plastic burning. Everything is under control with the built-in pressure controller with PID algorithm. The finished product is conveniently extracted through a bottom loading door. This desktop injection molding machine is suitable for injection molding low-viscosity plastics such as resin and PMMA. Number 3. BORX IS-215 Injection Molding Machine. BORX IS-215 Injection Molding Machine is a semi-automatic vertical pneumatic injection molding machine used to produce headphones, power cords, USB plug machines. It is developed and produced by BORX factory in accordance with the International Advanced Injection Molding Technology. IS-215 is the best choice for manufacturers who need a high-quality machine. It is designed with a thermoelectric control system, which is convenient for users to use and control it. The temperature setting of IS-215 can be set via software, which is more accurate and faster than manual operation. The heating method of IS-215 is thermostatic oil heating, which is energy-saving, high temperature resistance, and durable. Through special design of air supply system, the air pressure is stable in the whole machine, and the performance of the products is uniform. The structure of IS-215 is reasonable, and the machine is reliable. It is easy to operate. Number 2. LZHZXY GZ0876B Injection Molding Machine. LZHZXY GZ0876B is a pneumatic machine with steel mold, which is suitable for small production. The injection speed is fast, and the precision is high. It is used in the making of jewelry, such as rings, necklaces, earrings, solitaire, etc. The machine adopts the pneumatic pressure type, which ensures that the speed of the machine is stable and the precision is high. The machine uses the timer to control the speed of the injection. The injection mold is made of high-quality steel, and the silicon rubber is imported from the United States. This machine is used to make master patterns, wax patterns, and molds. It can be used for injection molding of jewelry waxes, beads, markers, and other small plastic parts. Features: high speed, low power consumption and low noise, full steel structure, solid and durable. Unique design to save process, configuration and other data automatically, especially suitable for medium and small-sized jewelry factories. Number 1. DahoMeter DHIM Injection Molding Machine. DahoMeter DHIM Injection Molding Machine is ideal for small business owners or hobbyists who want to save money and the plastic parts with ease. It is a beginner-level injection molding machine. It can be used to learn the manual injection molding techniques. The manual injection molding machine is capable of producing a wide range of plastic parts. It's easy to use and is ideal for making customized plastic parts for various projects. Its manual design is simple and comes with detailed instructions. The DahoMeter can be used to make a variety of plastic parts from custom watch bands and smartphone cases to giftware and smartphone stands. The DahoMeter can also be used for product prototyping. This elastic plastic is placed into a mold where it cools and hardens. Durable, lightweight plastic parts are created using this process, including plastic toys and products like garage door openers and power tools. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.